In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to open an account on Temu. The first thing you do is open up your Temu app like this. After download it from Google Play Store. Next thing, you tap on sign in. Then you can use your Google account, your Facebook account, your email address, or your phone number. Let's say I want to use my phone number. Continue with phone number. Then you enter your phone number. So after putting your phone number, a verification code will be sent to your phone number. You have to put in the verification code. So after putting the verification code, it opens. Now you add an email address you'd like to associate with your account. So after putting in the email address, another verification code will be sent to your email address that you have to enter. So you go to the email address, you see your verification code there. You can copy it. It's only valid for 10 minutes. Then go back to your Temu and put in the verification code. After putting it, write an email address to your account. So that's it. And now you can try to subscribe to Temu's emails to get exclusive deals and more if you want by tapping OK. If you don't want, you don't have to subscribe. And that's it. You've opened an account.